how to add IDM extension in Opera browser. For that, firstly you need to open the Opera browser on your device. Once you open it, you need to click on Opera icon at the upper left corner. And now in this expanded menu, you need to simply tap on Extension button and now click on Extension again. Once you get access to this page, turn on the developer mode, which is at the upper right corner. So after that, you need to go to your desktop and now you need to right click on the IDM. Once you have done that, you need to click on show more options and now you need to click on open file location. Find the file called IDM GC ext.crx. So once you find that file, you just need to simply drag and drop it to the Opera browser. So once you have dragged and dropped the file into the Opera browser, then what you need to do is you need to simply click on this install button here. And now you need to click on yes install. Then it will start installing the IDM extension in Opera browser. So in this way, you can easily add IDM extension in Opera browser. I hope you found this video useful. Hit the like button and subscribe if this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching.